Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, dito pa lang sa card na to, feeling mo itong opportunity na ito ay parang pinagkait sa'yo. May opportunity na ipinagkait sa'yo. We have here the star. Pero, huwag kang mag-alala kasi meron pang mas malaki darating doon. We have the Death card, Two of Swords, Four of Cups, Eight of Wands, and this High Priest. Kasi, feeling mo na-reject ka about this. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin nun is wala na or katapusan na. Kasi, may star tayo dito. Something big is coming. Ayan, with this also Four of Wands sa bottom card. So, tinan natin message ng Archangels. So, hindi mo kailangang indahin itong rejection na to. Kasi rejection is just a redirection. We have two cards. Outdoor by Archangel Jophiel. Go outside, get some fresh air, connect with nature to relieve stress and gain new creative ideas. So, kung nawawalan ka ng mga ideas ngayon or nababurn out ka, lumabas-labas ka muna, mamasyal-masyal, mag-connect sa nature para mawala itong iyong negative energies na nararamdaman ngayon. Itong feeling ng sadness mo. So we have here the moon cycles by Archangel Haniel. Notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations and capitalize upon these cycles. So kailangan mo mag-reflect sa mga nangyaring ito, sa mga rejections na nangyari. Pag nilay-nilayan mo muna itong mga nangyari, itong mga naganap, para alam mo na yung susunod na gagawin mo at hindi mo na mauulit itong mga mali or itong mga naging dahilan ng rejections. So, wag mong hayaan na pangunahan ka ng emosyon mo ngayon. We have the airplane, doll, candle, snail, healing crystals, and dream catcher. Diamond, bottom card. So, ito, know your worth with this diamond. Kung itong pinaplano mo is travel abroad or opportunity sa malayong lugar, so medyo mabagal lang, pero ika nga, slowly but surely ito, darating din yung para sa'yo na opportunity. So, maaring iniligtas ka lang, kaya hindi yun para sa'yo. Kasi baka may mangyaring hindi maganda kung ikaw ang napunta dun sa sitwasyon na yun. Kaya, hindi yun ibinigay sa'yo. It's just a protection. Feeling left out in the cold. Honesty is the best policy. Working hard for our future. I want commitment. So, for some of you, kung rejection to sa love, na ginost ka or iniwan ka sa ere, ayan, with this airplane, iniwan sa ere. So, may darating naman na bago, ayan. I want to grow old with you. I want to marry you someday. You're my wish come true. Feeling betrayed. So, binatrade ka pa. Yan. Bottom card, may intuition choose you. So, maaari kasing in this may travel kasi magaganap. Maring sa pagta-travel mong ito, connecting with nature, doon mo matatagpuan itong taong to na makakasama mo for life, in your lifetime, this lifetime. I wonder if you're happy without me. I want to be more than friends. It was my fault, but I blamed you. You and I were too young. I want to feel that way again. I left you before you could leave me, so inunahan ka kaya ginost ka nitong taong ito na nag-walk away sa buhay mo. So meron tayong strong Cancer and Aquarius. I wish I could take back my words. So yung mga sinabi niya sa'yo, gusto niyang bawiin. And I know I messed up everything. So sinabotahe niya itong connection. I knew exactly what I was doing. So alam daw niya yung ginagawa niya. Pero ngayon parang nagkabaliktad na yung mundo niyong dalawa. So tingnan natin. Kasi parang ang gagawin mo, soul searching, healing from this rejection na nangyari or itong mga heartaches na ito. Travel, ayan, mga gagawin mo. And dun sa pagta-travel mo na yon, doon mo matatagpuan yung hinahanap mo. Letter F, W, E, S, X, N, D, I, K, A, B, and C. Tingnan natin sa blue card, Destiny. So ito yung destined for you. Fated to love you. All strings attached. And marriage. So ito na yung intimate union, equal partnership na hinihintay mo. For some of you, pwede mo siya makilala in a foreign land, sa ibang bansa, or during travel, pwedeng locally or international. Fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ex-lover, December, June, November. Confusing, full of charisma. Animal lover, Cancer sign, Divine Feminine. Sarcastic, private person, weird. Ayan o, my other country. October, North PH, Mountain, Runner card. City, 4, May. Pwede maging long distance relationship. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. September, soulmate. National Capital Region, January. Sword, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Divine masculine, attractive, and popular. So yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.